Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for a way to transform your hair in just 1 minute? You're gonna love this cream from Color Wow. This styling cream is fabulous. It's an instant frizz fix. It smooths, it tames, and defrizzes right on the spot. It is packed with avocado oil and omega-3s, which instantly get absorbed into each strand of your hair, delivering much needed hydration and nutrients, and also taming down that frizz. It's best used on dry hair. I especially love to use it on my second and third day curls. It really gives you a nice finish with that non-greasy feeling. And as opposed to other stylers that just stay on the surface because they contain waxes that can't be absorbed, this one penetrates your hair, so it really hydrates it. So I really think you're gonna love this cream. It really delivers what it promises. I think you're gonna love this too, and that's just my point of view.